everybody, welcome back to Bazzar Repairs and Reviews. On today's video we have the Tisscare foot and calf massager. This massager has all kinds of cool features like comfy heating, time setting, and a 360-degree adjustable bar. So let's get this thing unboxed and check out what it has to offer. Alright, now that we got the unit unboxed and unwrapped, right away I see a manual with a remote. More on the remote later. Let's look at the unit itself. Looks really good, very high quality. It's got 6 buttons: on, off, time, heating, auto, speed, and direction, which is very simple and easy to use. You don't even need the manual for this. Everything is self-explanatory. Right underneath here we have some really nice cable management for the power cord. Very nice. We also have a 360-degree adjustable handle. So you can use this also to pick the unit up and also use it to rest on. Once again, there's our power cable management. As for the unit itself, so we're going to go ahead and set this on a chair, face it towards you, sit down, and then turn it on. Once the unit's on, you get a nice firm massage. Feels really good. You also have a heating button here. You have stage 1 and stage 2. But beware, it does take some time to heat up to 10 to 15 minutes sometimes. You have your speed, auto, and directional buttons as well. And here is the remote, which is very handy. It has the same buttons: on, off, time, heating, auto, speed, and directions, so you don't have to lean over and touch the unit. Very nice accessory. You can use this unit for other parts of your body, such as calves and arms. And everybody, that was the Tisscare foot and calf massager. Very nice, well-built unit. Highly recommended. If you would like it, go ahead and check it out. I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.